about out of time, but I thought I'd do one more thing, and that is, you can see over there, they had face nailed the top layer. Not many options because, I mean, what else are you going to do? They didn't have the screws that we have nowadays. So I had, this is what the nails look like. I mean, they're still fine, but they're not doing anything as far as a secure watertight connection. And I'm not saying what I did is either, but it should be better. Let's see if I can get you. So this is these are the screws that I'd taken out of the top roof, which is right there, and I have a whole bunch of them because when I put the aluminum on, I use nails. You can look at those videos. But so I went through. They have Geico on them. That's why they look so big on the edge, or the top. So I gently pulled the other screw nails and put these in. Even over there, I could reach that one for now. I can't reach it good enough to replace it, but I was able to pull the nail and put a screw in with a nice top on it. And then I did the same thing over here, and even one right down there that was face nailed. So I still want to replace this one, but I think it's about as far as I can reach. Maybe I can scrape off some of the tar over there, make it look a little bit better. But other than that, I can't really reach much more. And it's late in the year, it's in November, mid-November. So I think after I do these couple things, I think we'll be taking the ladder down. And I was hoping I could get all of it done, all this painted, but I'm not going to be able to. So then next year, I think what I'll try to do is put the ladder up right there, and I'm hoping I can get the rest of this, and then maybe at that point paint all this, and then maybe I can get the ladder up. It's not going to be easy though, somehow get it up into here. It's a challenge, but if I can get my ladder in there, secure it, it'll be safe to work on. Okay, let's call it a day.